You think your thoughts are yours? Think again. Most people are not thinking. They're just absorbing. You are not just a product of your habits. You're a product of your environment. When you absorb what you're around, your brain is like a sponge. It soaks up the energy, the thoughts, the standards of whatever surrounds it. Hang around chaos, you feel anxious. Hang around growth, you think bigger. To environment greater than motivation, you don't need more motivation, you need a better environment. Put yourself in places where the behavior you want is the norm, not the exception. Discipline is easier when it's expected. 3. You adapt to whatever surrounds you. Your environment is stronger than your willpower. If you're always around junk food, gossip, laziness, don't be surprised if you absorb it. We become what surrounds us. Protect your mental environment. Your physical space matters, but your mental environment even more. What you watch, what you scroll, what you listen to, it programs your subconscious. You are curating your future every time you open your phone. 5. Audit your environment. Ask yourself, do the people around me make me better or bitter? Does my space reflect my goals or my past? Your room, your apps, your friends, they're shaping your identity in silence. 6. Your environment can kill your potential. You can be a seed with massive potential, but if you're in the wrong soil, you won't grow. Toxic people, loud places, endless distractions. Even the best minds shrink there. 7. Environment can also make you unstoppable. Flip it. Surround yourself with winners, readers, doers, and suddenly, growth becomes normal. You rise faster when you're not the only one rising. 8. Change your environment. Change your life. Your life will change faster when your environment forces the change. Want to eat healthy? Fill your fridge with fuel. Want to learn faster? Sit near learners. Want to be calm? Leave chaotic spaces. 9. Build environments that shape you. Design your space to match your future. Put books where you see them. Clean your desk. Curate your feed. Schedule your silence. Your environment isn't fixed. It's a tool. 10. Your space creates your standard. You don't just live in your environment. Your mind is shaped by it. So shape your space with intention. Because when your environment rises, you rise with it. If this message hit home, don't just listen, look around. Audit your environment, then rebuild it brick by brick to match who you're becoming. And hey, if you found this powerful, subscribe to Better Each Day. This is not just a channel, it's a journey. This episode is part of our Master Your Mindset series, 10 episodes to help you think clearer, live stronger, and lead yourself. Thank you for watching. Now go out there and shape your space before it shapes you.